Why does your scanner show the P2737 engine code? What does it mean? P2737 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control, solenoid F, control circuit range or performance. The P2737 engine code indicates that TCM or PCM has detected that the F pressure control solenoid isn't adjusting hydraulic pressure as expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low transmission fluid, faulty pressure control solenoid F, damaged wiring or connectors, clogged transmission filter, valve body restrictions. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.